Have you ever wondered what makes your skincare products work wonders on your skin? Well, the secret lies in the key ingredients. These elements, often hidden behind scientific names, are the unsung heroes that nourish, hydrate, and protect your skin. Whether it's the rejuvenating power of retinol or the soothing effect of aloe vera, each ingredient plays a vital role in your skincare regimen. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of these key ingredients and their benefits. Now, let's uncover the magic behind these skincare products. You see, every effective skincare product is a careful blend of key ingredients. Take hyaluronic acid, for instance. This ingredient is a hydration powerhouse, drawing moisture into the skin and helping it look plump and youthful. Then there's niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, which is known for its skin brightening properties and ability to reduce the appearance of pores. Let's not forget about antioxidants like vitamin C, which can protect your skin from environmental stressors while also promoting an even skin tone. And of course, there's always the skin's best friend, SPF, to protect us from harmful sun rays. But remember, while these ingredients can do wonders, it's crucial to patch test any new product, as some may cause allergic reactions or sensitivities. Remember, a product is only as good as the ingredients it contains. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the world of skincare, uncovering the secret life of ingredients and their skin-loving benefits. We've understood that it's not about miraculous claims, but about honest expectations and transparency. Remember, a quick application challenge or a custom mask creation can add fun to your routine. So, next time you pick up a skincare product, don't forget to check the magic ingredients behind it. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.